Hey everyone, so today we are making a rich and flavorful butter prawn sauce, and you can pair this with rice, pasta or any dish you love. I'll show you how I made 2 food combos with this sauce. So first, wash and dry your prawns, season them with some spices and add a touch of this green seasoning right here, and it's going to take your dish to another level. I'll link everything in the description below. So just mix it properly before adding some cornflour to thicken. Mix thoroughly again and set aside. Now in a pan, heat up some olive oil and butter. Then add the marinated prawns. Now cook each side for about 2 minutes, making sure you don't overcook them. Once they are done, set them aside. Now let's make the sauce. Add a bit more olive oil and butter to the same pan. Toss in finely chopped onions, garlic and Scotch bonnet. Let it cook for about 4 minutes until fragrant. Now add your salt, Italian seasoning, black pepper and parsley. Stir and cook for another 3 minutes. Now pour in some homemade chicken stock, or you can use beef or vegetable broth if you prefer. Let it simmer until it thickens. Then add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Return the prawns to the pan, add a bit more parsley and cook everything together for 2 more minutes. Now the sauce is ready, the taste is delicious and the prawns are of course very succulent. If you want to make a banging pasta, I'll show you how. Simply take out some extra sauce, add in your cooked spaghetti and mix everything up for about 4 minutes so the sauce coats the pasta perfectly. And you've just made a mouth-watering spaghetti with the butter prawn sauce. This was also delicious with the brown basmati rice I used. So guys, will you try this recipe and what will you be pairing this with? Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you next week.